Hi everyone, John here. I want to talk about the Wyze Video Doorbell I just received and installed, and it's really been really cool. I've been having a Ring doorbell, and basically that Ring doorbell, it's hit or miss. Sometimes it would work good, sometimes it wouldn't. Sometimes I would have, somebody ring the doorbell and it just wouldn't pop up the video as fast, and it was a little frustrating. I recently installed all these Wyze cams, so I've got all these Wyze cams around the house, and I wanted to try out their new doorbell, which the doorbell just came out. As you can see, the light just came on, noticing that I'm here. So anyways, like 29 bucks, so it's ridiculously cheap, about 30 bucks for the Wyze Video Doorbell. And I wanted it to complete the set with everything. And what was good about it was I was surprised that it works so well with the Wyze system that I have. It's not as good, like it doesn't, I don't think it sees the cars out on my road. I'm gonna go out here, and if I look to the road, it doesn't actually see everything, like the cars going by, and sense all of that. I think they're still working on that, but it's using artificial intelligence to kind of see. It has person detection. It has, it will see if somebody comes and shows up, brings a box to you. Now, it's still in its early stages. I have it in its early stages, and right now I've noticed a few things. It doesn't always detect perfectly, but it does detect people. Like right now I'm standing here, that light's going on, it's bright, and at night it totally shines for people, and it illuminates them. What's really kind of cool is it has this 4x3 look, so it kind of looks, it puts the video from head to foot versus wide angle. And what that enables you to do is see people coming up all the way from their feet to their head, which I really think is kind of cool. Now, when they ring the doorbell, they also have a chime that goes inside, and I'll show you that later. But it really, and you can customize the sound of the chimes, and that is really cool. So I have a nice chime that I like, not your standard doorbell, but you can just do that. Now everything's really small. It's much smaller than the Ring that I had. So it's just kind of just giving you a kind of a tour of what it looks like. So if I open my door, actually I don't even have my door open, but let's see if we can hear it. So anyway, that's the regular sound that it makes, and it also will show up immediately on your phone when and I'm not going to show you that. I'm not going to show you installation, because you can get that. You can get all that information just from kind of, it's super easy to install. So when you go and get it, you're just going to go through the steps and install it just like you would a regular doorbell. Any kind of doorbell that you have, it will connect with, just like any of the Ring. You can go and bypass the actual doorbell if you have one inside. Now, I don't have an actual door box like that makes the Ring sound inside, so actually I hooked up a transformer inside and I put it right over here, and it just works fine. But if you do have a standard doorbell, it has the resistor and the capacitor to kind of wire that up fully. It walks you right through it through the tutorial. It's super easy. Anyway, I'm a big fan of this doorbell. At first, I didn't like the blue light that was on it. I was like really kind of concerned about that blue light. Right now, it says person detection, so it's flashing right now, and this light will shine, and that's kind of cool. And so I wasn't a big fan of the white and everything. I wanted something that looked a little more fancy, but I'm getting used to it. I kind of like it, and I'm really I'm sticking with it. I was thinking of actually covering that blue light with a sticker or something, but I'm getting used to it. That's just the way it looks, and that light will be on all the time, that blue light. That's a status light telling you that everything's connected and working fine. I have found that it is I have to set a schedule, because it will, every time you're walking outside, it will kind of alert that somebody's there. But I have no problem with that. I just set a schedule to kind of stop those alerts during the day when I'm constantly going in and out, and only have it at night. But here's the other part of it. It's $1.99 a month for their in-person premium detection, which enables you to get faster recordings. So typically with a Wyze, any Wyze cam, you get like every motion detection, it sleeps for 5 minutes and then goes back on. Now with this, if you buy the premium service, you can, it will just continually record and give you constant, it doesn't go to sleep, and it will record everything in the cloud. So that is really, really good. I kind of like that. So I bought that, and if you buy the yearly subscription, it's $15. Now, compared to Ring is charging $30 per camera. So that's half the price of the Ring if you use that. But you don't have to. You can just not buy that service. You could buy the Ring camera for $30 and it will do everything. It'll do cloud recording for 12 days, but it will have that 5-minute sleep. Other than that, give me any comments that you like, and let me know. It's super cool. Comes in this really really cool box. So I'm gonna go into my house real quick, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Just the doorbell chimes. So anyway, I'm gonna turn this around. So we're gonna look at that. So right here is the chime. It's super small, super nice. And it makes a really cool, you can customize the sounds of it. So anyway, that is really, really super cool. I want to just say that I just kind of going off the cuff here. I want to tell you that I do like it. I recommend it. I really feel that that is something good. If you have any questions, drop a like, go ahead and give me a comment. I'll pretty much answer every comment. So anyway, take care, like and subscribe.